How to leverage KeepUp's data hygiene dashboard. Welcome to the Software Engineering Data Hygiene Dashboard tutorial. This short video will help you leverage this ultimate tool for ensuring clean and consistent data across your software engineering processes. This powerful dashboard not only helps evaluate the cleanliness and consistency of your team's data and labeling usage but also provides a solid foundation for accurate, exhaustive, and meaningful engineering reporting. Let's dig into each metric to understand how you can use it. First, let's discover the project's overview chart. This insight allows you to delve into the performance of your software projects like never before. By calculating the sum of issues and pull requests created per project as well as the list of authors over a selected timeframe, this insightful report provides you with quantitative measures to gain a comprehensive understanding of your software project landscape. You can use it to gain in-depth insights into software project distribution, optimize resource allocation and proactively manage each software project. With the project's overview chart, you can take control of your project performance and make engineering data-driven decisions. Next, let's dive into the project contributors list. This report is a powerful tool that provides a comprehensive overview of contributor activity within your connected projects. By measuring the number of issues and pull requests per author and per project over a selected timeframe, this report helps you gain valuable insights into individual project contributions and team dynamics. It helps you understand the seniority of each contributor based on their project's engagement and contribution levels, develop targeted metrics and insights tailored to different seniority groups, and identify areas where additional support or mentoring could be beneficial. Now, let's explore the pull request labels usage report. This insight provides a comprehensive analysis of labels used across PRs over a selected timeframe. By uncovering all labels and identifying their usage ratio, this insight helps you understand labeling habits and optimize your development data ecosystem. With it, you can explore all labels used in pull requests and their frequency of use, gain insights into how labels are used individually and in combination with each other, and understand the impact of over-labeling on your data ecosystem as well as users' label adoption. Let's look at the pull request labels breakdown. This insight provides a comprehensive analysis of labels used across your software projects. By diving deep into labeling patterns, this powerful tool allows you to gain valuable insights into your data categorization practices, optimize your engineering dashboards and metrics, and make informed decisions to drive software development efficiency. Let's look at the auto-closing ratio metric. This metric measures the ratio of pull requests that successfully resolve at least one issue over a selected time period. This powerful metric helps you gauge the effectiveness of your development process, specifically in terms of closing issues through pull requests. By analyzing this ratio, you can ensure a consistent development workflow, prioritize development activities, and maintain alignment with your product strategy. Let's explore the commit's keyword usage report. This insight summarizes the first word of each commit message over a selected timeframe. This powerful report allows you to gain valuable insights into your team's habits when writing commit messages. By understanding the patterns and conventions used in commit messages, you can improve collaboration, accelerate incident investigations, and create powerful commit-based engineering reports, metrics, and dashboards. Let's explore the issue labels usage report. This insight allows you to enhance your development workflow by gaining valuable insights into how labels are used across your software development projects. This powerful report lists all labels found across issues over a selected time period, providing a comprehensive understanding of label usage ratios and their combinations. By analyzing issue labeling habits, you can optimize your dashboards, implement labeling best practices, and ensure data consistency throughout your software development process. Let's review the issue labels breakdown chart. This insight lists all labels used across issues, broken down per project, over a selected time period. This metric helps you track the progress of labeling standards adoption, implement naming convention best practices, address and clean non-standard labeling practices, and map your dashboards and reports based on your used labels. Finally, let's have a look at the scoped issues ratio metric. This insight allows you to optimize collaboration and clarity within your software development processes. It calculates the ratio of issues that have a description over a selected time period. By analyzing this ratio, you can gain valuable insights into the scope and clarity of your issues, ensuring that all parties involved in software development projects have the necessary information to perform consistently and efficiently. In a nutshell, the Data Hygiene Dashboard is your go-to tool to facilitate your engineering reporting, ensure process adoption, and identify usage patterns to make data-driven decisions in your software development projects. If you need assistance to leverage this dashboard or to build your own custom metrics, ping us via the chat or send us an email at support@keepup.io. Our team is more than happy to help you get started.